Job 42:10. The Lord restored Job's losses and gave him twice as much as he had before. Nobody saw the comeback, but God did. You ever post, "I'm fine," while fighting tears you can't explain? Ever show up strong for everyone else, but feel like you're losing every battle in private? That was Job, and that's somebody listening right now. One season he had stability. The next season, bills piling up, bad news back to back, people he trusted disappearing, prayers feeling like they're hitting the ceiling. And the worst part? People started whispering, maybe it's his fault, maybe God left him. Job didn't lose just things, he lost understanding. Nothing made sense. He sat in pain, in silence, in confusion, with a faith that felt weak but refused to die. That was his lowest point, when he had no answers, no support, no sign things would change. But what looked like the end was heaven setting the stage for restoration. Because while Job was hurting, God was still working. And at the right time, not early, not late, God turned it around, restored his life, restored his joy, restored his future. Not just back to normal, but greater than before. Hear this clearly. Your breakdown is not the end of your story. Your delay is not your denial. Your silent season is not proof that God left. It may look like nothing is happening, but God is building a comeback nobody sees yet. So if you feel forgotten, rejected, tired, hold on. Because the same God who restored Job is still writing comeback stories today, and yours might be closer than you think.